Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic, and today we are going to talk about summer gourmand fragrances. So if it sounds interesting to you, please stay with me. My name is Justina, this is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go. So I've gathered here a couple of suggestions for you for gourmand summer fragrances. So for me, now is too hot, to be honest, to wear anything too gourmand. However, those are fragrances that I associate with summer. So why not make this video, you know? And those fragrances will be perfect when it's slightly cooler outside. Still we have sun, but there's a little bit of wind and not so hot. So yeah, let's start with the fragrances from the same brand. Those will be two fragrances, and of course these are from Master of Gourmand, Theodoros Kalotinis, and first one of course is lemon tart. So this one is very realistic smell of lemon tart. If you like lemon tart, you need to get this perfume, and this lemon tart is just perfect for me because it's not too sweet. And in the real life, when I'm eating lemon tart, I also like my lemon tart not to be too sweet. I like it to be perfectly balanced. Of course, you have this buttery crust, you have lemon cream. However, this lemon cream needs to be slightly sour, and that's what I get from this fragrance. It is not too overpoweringly sweet, not too much of anything. Very nice, and it also has this slightly nuance of lemon tea, at least for me and on me. Let me know if you have the same impressions, because on me it's definitely like slightly lemonish tea. Very, very beautiful, not very long lasting, but I haven't found any other more realistic fragrance of lemon tart than this one. I know you may say Acrobake or I don't know, Dolce & Gabbana Devotion, but for me those two fragrances are too sweet. This one is just perfect. So lemon tart from Theodoros Kalotinis. And another one is a newbie in Theodoros Kalotinis family. It's Pear Gelato. And of course, as the name suggests, it's Pear Gelato, pear ice cream. And this one is so realistic as well. This one is much more sweet than lemon tart. This one has this creamy vanillic ice cream feel combined with pears, of course. And this Pear Gelato is slightly melted already. It is not like your cool ice cream straight from the refrigerator. It's slightly, you know, melted already because you have eaten it. You've been eating the ice cream and it's slightly melted. That's the feeling I get from it. It is sweet, it is fun, it is so nice. Just summery scent. So yeah, Pear Gelato, not so long lasting as well, but what can we do? It is very, very nice, very realistic. So that was it. Another one is your bubblegum fragrance. So if someone likes bubblegum, I highly, highly recommend you try this fragrance. And this one is Teo Cabanel and is Deja Vu. And this one smells for me straight up like a bubblegum, this pink one, without any, you know, flavor. It is not raspberry, it's not strawberry. I don't know what's the flavor. The flavor is pink, just like that. Oh, this one is just perfect. And here we have bubblegum accord combined with musk. And here also we have like this white leather accord. For some people it smells like rubber, this fragrance. For me, I love this effect. I absolutely love this effect. This one is the most realistic bubblegum fragrance I have ever smelled. So, so good. Very uplifting as well. Not too childish. Unusual, just unusual. So Deja Vu from Teo Cabanel, and this one you will get on RAFINAD. It's Czech Parfumerie. I have 10% coupon code, so if you are interested, just go to this description box. If you are interested in any other coupon code, just as well go to this description box. You will find everything there. So yeah, Deja Vu from Teo Cabanel. And another fragrance, another sweet one, of course, it will be from Paris Corner, and it's Khair Pistachio. And as you may know, because this fragrance is already viral, this one is highly compared to Kayali Pistachio Gelato 33. Yeah, that's the name. And I can agree with this. This one is more macerated version of Yam Pistachio, for me at least. You have tonka in here, which is very prominent. You have, of course, pistachio, something sweet. You have cotton candy in here. as well, but it's not that ice creamy as, for example, Pear Gelato. Nothing of the sort. It is sweet, but also clean at the same time, at least for me. It smells like this Dove shower gel, pistachio Dove shower gel, to be exact. Very nice. It's sweet, it's clean, it's so nice, it's carefree as well. I really do like it, and to be honest, I don't see the point of spending my money on Yum Pistachio Gelato when we have this one. This one hits the spot just perfectly. So yeah, Khair Pistachio. And another one may not be reminiscent of summer, because for many people it's the fragrance that associates more with winter time, with Christmas time as well. But for me, thanks to the bitter orange that we have in here, it's just fresh. Slightly fresh, of course, not too fresh, but it's refreshing, you know. Panettone from Milano Fragranze. I don't know, for me it's like perfect gourmand for warm day as well. Last year I was wearing it in September and it was warm and it was so nice, especially during the evening. Just go and check it out during this season now, not necessarily during Christmas time, because it's really, really nice, especially as I said with this bitter orange. You have Angelica in here as well, which is slightly herbal, and you have this clean undertone, especially in the dry down. So this one is so nice when it's warm. Of course, it can be like 30 degrees or anything, because you will be suffocated anyway with any of those fragrances I'm showing you. But this one is so nice, so why not try it? So yeah, Panettone from Milano Fragranze. And another one will be from Pearlescent Parfums, and this one is Tonkazure. For me, it's a party in the bottle, good mood in the bottle. This one is blueberry and champagne, neroli. We have also rose water, so, oh, and of course Tonka, yeah, as the name suggests. But it is sweet, but at the same time it is refreshing. Smells like a good time. You know, you are going out with your friends during the evening, you are putting on Tonkazure and you're just feeling so well. So that's it. If you are looking for a smell of blueberry compote combined with champagne and tonka, look no further. Pearlescent Parfums, I absolutely love it, and the performance of it is stellar as well. So yeah, it's perfect summer gourmand. Of course, it's whole year round gourmand, but for me especially, I associate this fragrance with going out during the summer. So yeah, that was it. And another one from the same brand, Pearlescent Parfums as well, Tonka Peach. And this one is variation about Tonkazure as well. But here, instead of blueberry, we have peach. And this is like a peach compote as well, combined with, of course, champagne. We have this bitter tonka. Tonka in here, for me at least, is much more bitter. It smells really nice as well, but it's more subdued to Tonkazure. It is not as high-pitched, because Tonkazure for me is much more prominent of a fragrance. This one is much more calmer, more peachy, of course, but still really nice. And this one is very clean when it dries down. The Tonkazure tends to be more sweet when it dries down, more like blueberry sweet, and this one tends to be more clean and even, I would say, soapy. When it dries down, it's like peach soap or something like this, combined with neroli as well. Very nice clean feeling as well with this fragrance. So Tonka Peach from Pearlescent Parfums, of course. And another one might be a surprise for you, because it's not typically associated with summer, and I would say it's a winter gourmand, and most probably it will show in my winter selection of the fragrances as well. But I don't know, I strangely associate this fragrance with going out during the evening in the summer, when you want to be mysterious and you want to smell very delicious. And I'm talking about Al Contrario from Tiziana Terenzi. I know that the note breakdown will tell you, will scream fall and winter, but for me, it's so seductive. I don't know what they put in there, but it's so good. It has malt in it. So I think that's the case of the malt in here, that it's so addictive. It's gooey even. It has chocolate, it has sugar, it has tonka bean. So it might sound very suffocating, very sweet, very sticky as well, but it is not like that, you know? It is not like that at all. Of course, if there is 30 degrees outside, it will be too sweet. But when the sun goes down and there is no sun, only like warm air with slight wind, it will be perfect. During the summer night, at a party, as I said, when you want to smell delicious, mysterious, and very, very original, Al Contrario from Tiziana Terenzi. This one is so underrated. Not many people is talking about it. And for me, it's one of the most perfect gourmands I have in my collection I have ever tested in general. So yeah, Tiziana Terenzi Al Contrario. And another one will be Cheapy, and I highly recommend you try during the summer this fragrance, because it may not seem like a summer fragrance at all, but last year, believe me, I was using this fragrance and I was so surprised how well it behaves during the summer, during the warm day even, maybe not too warm again, but when there is a little bit of wind, again, it will be so, so nice. And I'm talking about Zara Sun Desert at Sunset, and this one, of course, is a dupe for Kilian Angel's Share. But this version, as I always say, is much more smoother, much more rounded, much more clean for me. It has this kind of a clean factor to it. I cannot describe it, you know, I cannot describe why it is clean. For me, it has this like cherry accord in here, but you do not have cherry in here. You have chocolate, you have tonka. And I think this cherry accord comes from tonka. It is slightly boozy, but at the same time, you know, I really do like to use it after the shower. It has this sweet, nice cleanliness and coziness to it. And it's really nice during the heat. Really nice. I was so surprised last year when I was using it during the heat, during the summer. Just try it. If you have it in your collection, it is not expensive. So, so nice. Zara, Sun Desert at Sunset. I know they have changed the bottle and I don't know what is the new version. I hope it's the same. But yeah, I highly recommend you try it. So Kilian Angel's Share clone, but much more smoother, as I said. And another one is from Profumo di Firenze and is Buon Talenti. And this one is a smell of Italian ice cream shop, Florence ice cream shop. You have here a hefty amount of ice cream and hefty amount of fruits. You have banana, you have apricot, you have raspberry, you have toffee, of course, you have waffle cone. So nice, so carefree, sweet, of course, but not too sweet for me, actually. Of course, not for the 30 degrees outside as well, but when there is you know, when you are going out during the evening, why not? Very, very nice, fun, carefree. Yeah, Buon Talenti from Profumo di Firenze. And another one will be from Neydo, and it's Blonde Redhead. I really do like this fragrance. This one is one of the most original fragrances in my collection. And in here, we have this beautiful vanilla tart with figs, fresh figs and rose petals and slight amount of tobacco. This one is so, so original, very beautiful, strong as well, so unusual. You also have this strawberry accord going through. Very, very nice. I really do like it. So, so original. As I said, it smells exactly like the bottle looks. This beautiful pale pink. It smells like it. It's just dreamy, it's just creamy, so, so beautiful, very unusual. And this one is actually very perfect unisex gourmand. So it doesn't lean for me too feminine, it doesn't lean too masculine. You just need to check it out. And I have 10% coupon code with Neydo, and of course it's in the description. So if you are interested, by my description, just go and try it for me. It's a 10 out of 10. Very, very nice. And another one is your flirty, girly fragrance for a summer night out, of course. And it's Kayali Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar 42. This one is already so popular, I won't be talking about it too much, but you have candied pear, you have white caramel, you have vanilla cream, rock sugar, of course. So carefree, so nice, bubbly in a sense as well. Bubblegum, of course, is here. And it's like, it's champagne-like for me as well. Like bubblegum champagne with pear. That's what I get from this fragrance. And of course, slightly sweet from caramel. Very, very nice. Carefree. Bottle is just amazing. Yeah. Kayali Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. And another one will be from Soradora. And this one is Mallow. So if you want to smell like Raspberry Fairy, this one is for you. This one is for you if you like a violet, if you like raspberries, if you like Oriana from Parfums de Marly. This is it. You need to try it. This one is so good, so delicious, but not like literal delicious. It more or less smells like raspberry mamba. There was this gum. There was these gums, you know, mamba. They were called here in Poland at least. And it smells a little bit like this. So nice as well. Flirty, very feminine, very carefree. When I smell it, I see pink as well. So nice. Yeah, Mallow from Soradora. And another one will be the last one. Yeah, the last one, it will be Dolce Amalfi from Zerzhov Casamorati. And this one has quince note in it. And it smells also exactly like the sunshine, like this color, yellow, orange. So nice. Very unusual, very original. Apart from quince, we have incense in here. So it's slightly cold and smoky at the same time. And this one smells also like a quince liqueur. So if you want to smell somehow fruity, boozy, Casamorati Dolce Amalfi will be just perfect. Very unusual and original. So yeah, that was it for today. Let me know what are your types of summer gourmands. I will be very curious reading your comments. Thank you very much for watching today and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.